convocation ceremony of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences was held on 21st March in New Delhi. President Draupadi Murmu attended the ceremony as the chief guest. Addressing the students, the president said that the AIIMS has nurtured some of the finest medical minds, and its alumni have been heading various top hospitals and medical colleges not just in India but abroad. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his New Zealand counterpart Christopher Luxon held discussions in New Delhi on 17th March. Both the leaders reaffirmed to further strengthen the India-New Zealand bilateral relationship, which is anchored in shared democratic values and robust people-to-people ties. Later, the Prime Ministers jointly inaugurated the Raisina Dialogue 2025, held from 17th to 19th March in New Delhi. On 18th March, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar also participated in a conversation on Thrones and Thorns, defending the integrity of nations at the Raisina Dialogue 2025 in New Delhi. On 19th March, the Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi approved the incentive scheme for the promotion of low-value Bheem UPI transactions person to merchant for the financial year 2024-25. The Union Cabinet also decided to set up a new brownfield ammonia-urea complex Namrup 4 fertilizer plant within the existing premises of Brahmaputra Valley Fertilizer Corporation Limited in Assam. Apart from this, the Cabinet gave its nod to implement the revised Rashtriya Gokul Mission with enhanced allocation for the years 2024-25 and 2025-26 at the additional outlay of Rs 1,000 crore. The Cabinet also approved the revised National Programme for Dairy Development to modernize and expand dairy infrastructure, ensuring the sector's sustained growth and productivity. Additionally, the Union Cabinet approved the construction of over 29-kilometer 6-lane access-controlled greenfield highway starting from JNPA Port to Chowk in Maharashtra on build, operate and transfer mode at the cost of more than Rs 4,500 crore. During the budget session 2025, Union Home Minister Amit Shah addressed the Rajya Sabha on 21st March. The Home Minister stated that the Navy, Coast Guard, State Police and Customs are working in coordination to seal the sea route of any discrepancies. He also said that a database regarding the exchange of narco-criminals has been created. The 23rd edition of the bilateral naval exercise Varuna was held between India and France from 19th to 22nd March 2025. Varuna 2025 featured advanced air defense drills and fighter exercises, including mock air-to-air combat between the French Rafale M and Indian MiG-29K, designed to refine tactical and operational capabilities. The Khelo India Para Games are taking place in New Delhi from 20th March to 27th March. On 20th March, Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Dr. Mansukh Mandavia inaugurated its opening ceremony. Addressing the event, the minister said that Khelo India is playing an instrumental role in identifying young talent.